Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, and joining me over here, my co-conspirator, who's joining me today for what my wife is now calling model making shenanigans, is my daughter Llivian. Llivian is not totally new to the model making world. So before starting my channel, Llivi and I built the Revell Jeep. She's built about 90% of a Lindbergh pirate ship. At some point, one of us, probably me, may or may not have lost the main mast. She has built, I forget what the Korean company is. There's a Korean version of the USS Missouri that she actually completed that one. She started on the Spirit of St. Louis, but somehow all the parts disappeared. But by the way, she is absolutely loves Charlie Mack's USS Constitution.
It's a nice build.
So she came to me and she's like, Dad, I want to build another kit and I want to build a car. Apparently she was talking to one of her friends at work and she's decided she wants to build a 66 Mustang fastback. Now, I am not mean and cruel enough to make my daughter suffer through an AMT kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 66 Shelbe GT350H from Revell, and we're going to do a little bit of tweaking to it. Most of the parts I'm looking for are already in the box. And we're going to get as close as we can to a 66 fastback. And we might throw in a little extra here and there. We'll see if she wants to learn how to use the 3D printer or not. But so this video is her unboxing because this is her build. I'm going to guide her and mentor her, maybe help her a little bit along the way. But we're going to start with an unboxing for this kit. So we're going to go ahead and get this camera turned around and we will take a look at what is inside the box. Woo!
This is our box. You got some pictures and paint callouts and whatnot. I, like my dad, do not follow the instructions. We have your chrome parts, some decals, all of the other parts, and I think I do have at least one part, maybe two, that are loose in here. Clear plastic. Clear parts. Nice and fun. And our wheels. So we're going to get a closer look and take them out of the backies. So, here's our body. We got a nasty little sink mark right through here. I'm going to have to go in and fix that up. We do have some mold lines. I cannot actually see them, but I can feel them. So just some baby cleaning up, but overall it's not a bad body. Oh, we got some flash over here. Easy to take care of. But yeah, this is our body. And then we have our clear parts. These are actually really smooth. I did. There's some pretty smooth. I don't see too many scratches. I actually don't see any scratches at all, except for small itty bitty ones that can pretty much be seen. Haha. Of course, I've used our instruction manual that we're probably going to skim through and deviate from. and whatnot. Got some engine builds and whatnot, assemblies, fun stuff. We have our chrome that we're going to most likely strip and repaint as chrome again. Fun stuff. We have our interior. Got your seats and whatnot. Exhaust pipes?
Exhaust pipes.
Exhaust pipes. We then have our chassis, engine, and wheels.
Chassis and suspension.
Suspension.
Chassis and suspension.
It looks like an engine.
Nope, most of that actually is engine parts. It's chassis and engine parts, as well as some wheel backs that we'll probably get rid of.
We've got our hood and steering wheels, other small parts, gear shift. And this is our engine. I was right.
It's engine.
Engine.
That's rear suspension, front suspension. I think maybe a firewall? No, it's no firewall, maybe.
Of course, we have our wheels. And I told you we had at least one, maybe two parts that were loose. It's okay. Things happen during shipping. And here are the decals. I'm going to custom make the decals. So I don't really need the decals.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for Llivian's very first unboxing video. You can say things, you know.
I can't say things.
So we're going to do her build as a series of weekly update builds.
Builds.
Kind of progress type stuff. And don't know how fast or slow it's going to go. It kind of depends on, you know, her time and my time together, and, you know, her schedule, because kind of like me, she works some crazy hours, but she works the opposite hours. She works the overnight shift at the Amazon warehouse while I work days at my employer. But when we get some time together, we're going to work on it, and we will give you guys updates to show you where we're at.
Yep.
Anything else you want to say?
I just got done with a 12-hour shift.
Yeah, she's kind of tired.
I see these.
So we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thanks for hanging out with us, and you guys have a great day.
Good night.